What's going on YouTube? So today's video we do have the new Redragon Nephrite Pro wireless keyboard. We're going to take a look at this video. We're also going to look at the M916 ULT. This one has 30,000 DPI, wireless function, super lightweight. So we're going to take a look at this on the side. The main focus of this video is just the keyboard, but we'll also just briefly showcase the mouse. So first let's go ahead and unbox. Let's unbox the mouse first. I went ahead and opened it because I got excited. But here it is. This mouse retails for about $30, I believe, which is not too bad. Let's go ahead and check this out. And the thing I like about this is it's rechargeable. So you have some minimal branding, looks super sleek and modern, just a basic style mouse. Remove this here. All right, so there we go. You also have some stickers. So this is the dongle. I'm not too sure if you have to use this exact USB-C cable, but you can also use this cable to charge the mouse itself or use it wired. But yeah, this is the mouse. You have DPI button, Bluetooth, and 2.4 gigahertz. Very, very lightweight. This is easily the lightest mouse I've ever held. Now for the main attraction. This has 3 modes, wired 2.4 gig and Bluetooth multiple connection. It does have software, so you can easily change whatever you pretty much want, and a 0.1 millisecond response time because of this magnetic switch. So we're going to check these out. Let's take a look at the rest of this here. It's also a 90% keyboard. Once again, I got a little excited, so we're going to go ahead and open these here. It's cool because I've been using the preset that comes with my PC because I got a PC a while ago, so it's nice to have this new keyboard, and it's wireless, so I don't have to worry about any wires. Little pouch. These ones are pink switches. I don't know what the exact name is, but I'm just calling them pink switches because they're literally pink. But look at, there's no prongs there at the bottom. They're magnetic, so it's easy to hot swap them. You just magnetized. And that's what they sound like. Pretty nice. So you get 2 additional switches there that you can go and experiment with, or if you ever need to replace them. You have a 90-degree USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C. You can use this to charge it, or you can use it wired. And you have a keycap and a switch puller. Let's go and take a look at this. Stickers and a user guide. And then we also have the keyboard itself. So you have the top left, pretty much which mode you're going to be at. You have FN control, and the keycaps here, they are like curved, so they're more ergonomic. And super satisfying. You see here you have a dongle on the bottom. You have a toggle switch between 2.4 off and Bluetooth, kickstand. And they have rubber feet on the kickstand as well. Sleek when you have it turned off, so there's nothing flashy, but you can go ahead and check out other keycaps and stuff like that. These ones don't have any of the writings on them, which I do prefer. So you're gonna have to get used to all the functions, and I'll show you guys what the functions are. Let me go ahead and, so you can hopefully see the keycap. I just dropped it to the abyss. Okay, there we go. So no prongs were bent during that process. I didn't even realize I was still like that, but there we go. So it's pretty cool. It's magnetic and it just fit in like that. So you have less issue of breaking prongs, and you don't have to do, worrying about that. So it's really nice. All right, so we have the keyboard here. You can see if we press it here, it's nice and colorful. Right now it's not connected, which is why it's turning off. It's really nice. We could go to Bluetooth mode here by switching that. And there we go. To be able to change, all the functions, we have FN and Z. That will change the modes, and FN and X will change the colors. So you have 9 different colors. You have this rainbow, little chasing effect. You have red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, and white. So you have all those colors, and then you have a total of, I believe, 18 different modes when it comes to, all this. So you have solid, which you can change different colors. You have this mode here. You have this one, which is like the, I guess, bounce effect. You have this one, which is a kind of like a circle or windmill. And this one, which is really nice, like waves. You have this one, which is the matrix one, I like to call. You can change the colors on those as well. If you want to change the speed of the animation, hold FN and you can change the speed with the left arrow to slow it down. It'll indicate flash red when it's the slowest possible. If you want it the fastest possible, do the right arrow and that'll be the fastest possible. Let's say you wanted to change the brightness, just do the down arrow. So now it's the lowest it could go. And if you want it the brightest it could go, just press up on the D-pad, the arrow keys. So there we go. Let's go check out the rest of the modes. We have this one, which is like a snake effect kind of. You have this one. You have a breathe. You also have this one here, which is a cycle between all of it, rainbow. You have this one, which is a color chase. This one, which is a droplet water effect. I like this one a lot. And then you have this one, which is kind of like random, but back to the snake one. This one, which is like the firework mode. This one, which is like actual waves now. And then back to color chase. So that's all of the modes that we have here. You can see RGB is really nice. I think a 90% keyboard, so it has the numpad here on the right, which I really like. It's helpful for my, video editing and everything, because I like to press the number pad a lot more. And when it comes to Bluetooth, it's super simple. You could even connect it to your iPhone if you wanted to. So you just go to Bluetooth, you go down. All right, let's go into Bluetooth pairing mode. So you have to press FN and 1, 2, or 3. You could switch between 3 different devices really, really quickly. So if we press FN and hold button 1, there we go. We're in pairing mode. It'll start flashing really fast and it'll pop up here on our Bluetooth device. So let's go to connect. There we go, we're connected. And now if we go to, let's say, notes here, we can type in whatever we want. There we go. Even all the functions work, so you could highlight text, delete it immediately, copy paste, etc. on your phone, which is really nice. Which I do a lot of texting because it's kind of weird to type on a keyboard on your phone. It's cool. We're gonna go ahead and go to Bluetooth settings. It's in the search here. I'll zoom in whenever I need it. Hold 2 a little longer. 2, 3, there we go. So now it's flashing. It'll pop up here, Bluetooth 5.0 keyboard. It'll do a keyboard setup assistant. So we're gonna set this one up, this one. And similar setup here. We can easily go, hi, my name is Eli. And it's doing autocorrect too on the MacBook, but you get the idea, right? That's what we typed. So pretty nice. So, and if I wanted to go over to my phone here, all I have to do is FN, press 1, and now we are back on our phone. So I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna do a little speed test. So ready, 3, 2, 1. This one is on Bluetooth 5.0. The mode 1 is on Bluetooth 3.0. So it's gonna be a little slower. FN and 1. There we go. So it was a couple seconds more. It was faster on the MacBook, but still very, very quick. You have options to switch between Windows and Mac. You have 3 different Bluetooth options that can simultaneously switch between 3 different devices. Through Bluetooth, you also have 2 different options to connect wired as well as a dongle. So you can connect seamlessly up to about 5 different devices if you really wanted to, with just one keyboard. So super, super helpful, especially if you have multiple setups or multiple devices like I do. I'm always testing out different things and I don't like unplugging it and then plugging it back in. Having no cables whatsoever is a game changer. And this has a really good battery life, so I don't have to worry about charging it all the time, only once every month or something like that. So super helpful, and it has that battery saving mode, so it'll automatically go to rest mode when it's not being in use for a certain amount of time, or it's really, really helpful. So I like that.